I just received my Freestyle Libre 2 reader for free when you buy a Freestyle Libre 2 sensor. Thank you, Abot. Advanced na ito because ito yung nag-a-alarm pag mababa o mataas ang iyong BP. Blood sugar. So you don't need to para i-check pa. Automatic siyang mag-a-alarm. So, kahit natutulog ka, gigisingin ka, kung mababa, kung nag-hypo ka na, o sobra taas ng BP mo. Medyo mahal, 2.9 for senior ang sensor, pero it's worth it kasi this is good for 15 days and unlimited checking. Okay, bye na! Mag-invest na kayo dito sa Freestyle Libre 2. By the way, libre to kasi a-upgrade yung luma mong Freestyle Libre. And once you buy a Freestyle Libre 2 Plus sensor, ito yung bagong sensor. Ito yung luma ko, and now they upgraded it to a Freestyle Libre 2 reader na you don't have to worry kasi automatic siyang mag-a-alarm sa iyo pag nag-hypo ka na, kahit natutulog ka or biglang tumataas. Ang kagandahan nito, pag nag-invest ka dito, automatic, it will link the result to your doctor. So, hindi mo na kailangan magsulat-sulat pa kasi you can print it. Okay! Invest on your health! This is Wonder Mom 64. Invest on your health by Freestyle Libre 2 Plus and have an upgrade for a reader.